The space is on the ground floor of a 3-story corner building in Lisbon's Belém district. The building was constructed in the late 18th century, and this small space has seen many different uses over time. It's used as a living, working and exhibition space for a visual artist. When I first saw the space, I fell in love with the beautiful stone arch and the high ceilings. I wanted to create a space with a multifunctional interior that unites a living space with a working area. My name is Lenka Holcnerova. I'm an architect and founder of the architectural studio Atelier Holcnerova. The key was to design interior elements that can fluidly transform between these functions. At the center of the design concept were the ideas of timelessness and respect for the centuries-old building with all its qualities.
Odoo isn't just a website builder, but an all-in-one management software to start and run your very own business. To demonstrate how easy it is to use, we'll be creating a website for our beloved pets in our studio. To get started, we'll choose the website app. After entering our details, we can tell Odoo what kind of site we are looking to create. Next, we'll choose a colour palette for the site. Then the pages we want in our website. Finally, we'll select one of the 3 themes that Odoo has made for us. This layout will do the trick. And there we have it. Our website is ready to be populated with our own info. Easy peasy. The first app is free forever, with unlimited hosting and support. It also includes a free custom domain for the first year. Start now at odoo.com.
The street around this apartment is residential and has fewer people passing by than many other areas. Belém is located in western Lisbon, right on the banks of the Tejo River. Belém is home to many monuments and museums, and it's popular with visitors. The layout blocked natural light from flowing through the space. The whole space felt darker because of the dark entrance door and lower height of the ceiling. In the back corner, there was a kitchen without any windows. There was a small toilet and sink. There were no bathroom or showers, so it would be difficult to live here. The kitchen was moved to the old toilet and nearby niche. We lowered the floor in the rear part of the space to allow space for the addition of a mezzanine bedroom. Under the bedroom is the new bathroom. Lastly, the entrance door was changed to a glass door to allow more light in. Just in front of the entrance, it is possible to place a little table for relaxing, working, or just having a coffee. The generous glass entrance is fitted with 2 sets of curtains that allow for different needs to be met. I added sheer curtains, but for the complete privacy, for example in the evening, there is also a layer of blackout curtains. The entrance to the space feels more like a gallery than an apartment. The living area is in the main open space, overlapping with working and dining functions. I wanted a space where at first glance all of its functions are not obvious and they reveal themselves over time. The stone arch, which is structural, was a mandatory anti-seismic element in buildings built after the devastating earthquake in 1755. However, it was slightly covered up by a false ceiling. By fully revealing it and restoring it, it became centerpiece of the entire space. The stone has a lot of character, so I kept everything around it in white to give the stone more emphasis. The old rotten beams on the ceiling were replaced with new ones, which I left exposed. Another important element is the large glass table in the center. The top was an old glass door that I converted to a table by adding steel legs. The door handle was an oval cutout in the glass, which is now used for passing cables through. The table has many functions. It is used as a desk when working, and dining table while eating, or to display artworks during exhibitions. The social and private areas are separated by a freestanding fireplace. The chimney was redirected under the mezzanine, which also helps to heat up the bed. The floor in the entire apartment is made of microcement. With time, the microcement floor is now gaining beautiful patina and imperfections. The kitchen is placed within two niches. The whole kitchen is wide to blend into the niches and ensure a sense of openness and lightness. In the unit with the sink, there is a fridge and a portable cooktop. There is also a space for a small dishwasher to be installed in the future. The kitchen is made from plexiglass mineral, which creates clean, smooth surfaces, adding to the calm atmosphere. In these niches, I placed indirect artificial lights to resemble a sun coming into the apartment. I wanted to detach the kitchen from the floor and make it shallower, so it looks lighter and more subtle. The bathroom is under the mezzanine, 3 steps down from the main space. I designed the bathroom to have 2 different possible layouts. When the space is in work mode, the visitors can only see the toilet and the wash basin. By using a custom-made cover, it's possible to put things on the top of the bathtub when it's not in use. With the cover on, it doesn't look like bathtub anymore and it allows me to use it in a different mode. The storage in the bathroom has a connection ready for a washing machine. There is a laundromat nearby, so it's very convenient and we haven't had to install one yet. The wash basin is custom made and from the same plexiglass mineral as the kitchen. The sleeping area is on the mezzanine and it's accessible by a narrow staircase. The floor is made from maritime plywood, which we whitewashed. The sofa is custom made from 2 single mattresses and it transforms into a bed in the evening. It has integrated bedside tables with power sockets for a lamp and to charge your phone. There is a tall storage niche for clothes behind a curtain. The glass railing of the mezzanine lets natural light from the back window enter the space completely. When designing a small space, it's important to have an interior when functions can happily overlap. I'm a big admirer of old buildings, and it's remarkable how relatively small changes can allow for the same building to be efficiently and comfortably utilized for centuries.
Thanks for watching. If you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.